Wanna know how to profile your project in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So we have also created a video on how you can easily install NetBeans, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done all of that, here you should be seeing this NetBeans application right here. And once you've done that, on top of the navigation bar, you should be seeing profile. Just simply select profile right here, and you should be seeing profile project under this clock icon. So with your project name beside it, so you can just simply select it right here, and then your project should be profiled easily. So there is also another icon that you can click instead of heading towards profile and stuff. Here you can see a direct profiling of your project. So if you want to do it, you can just simply select it right here, and it should be done easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.